Hello friends, I'm Dr. Kainth with Maple Primary Care, and I wanted to share another healthcare hint with you. Remember, healthcare hints are small things you can do in your daily life to help prevent disease or treat disease. So today I wanted to tell you my little trick of treating iron deficiency anemia without pills. So the first thing is increase the iron in your diet. Now, most iron does come from red meat. Also, other meats have a lot of iron in it. If you are vegetarian or plant-based, best place to get your iron is from lentils, beans, and green leafy vegetables. Now, my other trick, which is a little bit of a secret for some people, is using a certain type of pan to cook your food in. So I just got home from work and I'm about to cook dinner, and let me show you what I will be using. This is the pan I'm going to be using to cook my dinner. As you can see, it is an old school cast iron skillet. What happens when we cook our food in this skillet is that the iron from the pan will actually enrich the food that you're cooking. I hope this healthcare hint was helpful. If you like what you're hearing, please follow me at Healthcare Hints with Dr. K.